Right, another quick video about Ford Transit and some various things to do. So this one is resetting the battery management system or BMS system, which you need to do after changing the battery. It's nice and cold out here in the UK at the moment, and it's finished off our original battery, which at this point is 7 years old, and it's over 100,000 miles on this vehicle, so it's worked well. So to do this, turn the vehicle on, turn the radio off, and what we need to do is we need to flash the headlights 5 times. We do this slowly and methodically, followed by 3 pumps of the brake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pump, and then we're going to look at the battery light, and hopefully in a few moments it's going to flash 3 times to indicate the system is being reset. 1, 2, 3, 4 times then. And there we go, that's the battery management system reset. So it's now going to relearn all the battery chemistry, and hopefully any electrical groundings have gone away.